Good morning to everyone present here, our respected principal sir, my dear colleagues, dear guardians, and my beloved students. Today we all gathered here to celebrate our 76th Republic Day, a very important day for our country. So first of all, I think we should know, why do we celebrate Republic Day? So, because on this day, in 1950, India became a republic, which means we got our own rules and constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the architect of the constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his team worked very hard to make the constitution for India. One thing we must know, that our constitution, I mean this Indian constitution, is the longest written constitution with 395 articles, initially divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. So I think I will not take much time. I just conclude my speech here. Before concluding my speech, I request you all, please say with me, Jai Hind. Okay, thank you.